Hi everyone, Vanessa here with another prayer reading of the day. So today's prayer is with God. All things are possible. Matthew chapter 19, verse 26. So we got verse 19 already up. Chapter 19 is up. Verse 26 is Jesus looked at, at them intently and said, humanly speaking, it is impossible, but with God, everything is possible. There you go. With God, with the Lord, anything is possible. Okay. In closing, I will say, dear Lord, please impress to those in need. Please be blessed. Take care. Be safe. See you in tomorrow for tomorrow's prayer of the day. Sending love and prayers to all those who need. Bye for now.